And good morning, friends. It is indeed a matter of great honor and pride for me that I am live with you today to be a part of you, to be working with you, and I have this opportunity today to introduce to a person who has set different benchmarks in the entire world. He has introduced the world to such a miracle berry which we can synonymously call Sanjeevani Booty. So I could see a lot of friends joining me right now, and I'm still waiting for the full house so that I can introduce you to the Guru himself, a person of great stature, a person who has worked so hard, so long to give the world a wonderful thing. Usually, people say that there are so many things available in the world which can help you in such in different diseases, in such different things. But believe me, friends, this is something which earlier, prior to joining this company, I was also not aware, and still I could find there are numbers and numbers, thousands and lakhs of people who are still unaware of this wonderful thing, gift of nature. And if we approach these people, because being from the sales, my focus is entirely on the sales development and the people, how many people we can reach. But still, apart from the sales, it is such a wonderful gift of nature that if we promote this promote this particular thing to the world, it would be a moral cause also. It would be something which we can say it is going to change the perception of the world, how we take our health. So still some people are joining, new people are joining. So I was telling about the great personality, a wonderful man, a person who has given so much to the organization, who is willing to give so much more to you all. And today it is indeed very prestigious moment for all of us that we are going to listen the benefits, going to have a wonderful training session about the product. Not exactly all the products, but in particular few products which are going to help you in a very different way. And I would request you to absorb these features of these particular products and try to replicate this in front of your customers, your people, your family, your friends, your members, whosoever you find that they can go ahead, because development of a good health is not anybody's prerogative. It can be for everyone and each and everyone. So friends, instead of wasting so much of time of yours, I would now like to introduce the Sivakthon Guru, a person behind Biosash, a person who has given to the world a wonders of nature, a miracle berry, Sivakthon. He is none other than Mr. Arjun Khanna. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Hello everybody. I am going to explain to you today in this very special session the benefits of Sivakthon and the benefits of our Sivakthon products, how you're going to use them, and what are the special characteristics to be kept in mind. Sivakthon, as you know, is a very favorite topic and subject of mine, and I can continue to talk for a very, very long time on this. However, I will try and keep things simple and short so that you can absorb and imbibe these special points which will help you in the future. Now, I cannot begin to explain to you what is my feeling towards Sebuckthorn until and unless I share this very personal and deep relationship which I have and I have experienced in my journey with Sebuckthorn. A few years ago, my father unfortunately was diagnosed with 4th stage lung cancer, and he had an incurable type of cancer, and we were quite shocked that we didn't come to know anything about this till it was in the 4th stage. My father has always been a very fit person, and when the doctors said that we fear that you do not have more than 3 months or so to live, it was a big shock to both of us. And we sat down, father and son sat down in a conference, and we thought of what would be our next course of action. So we decided that all these years of knowledge of Sebuckthorn, of herbs, of Ayurveda that we have accumulated in our brains, we need to now put this knowledge to test and see how far we are successful in implementing exactly what we know. It wasn't a small thing to be told that you may not live for more than 3 months. But being a very strong-willed person, my father was a very strong-willed person, and we decided that we will go ahead with a regimen of treatment primarily based on Sebuckthorn, apart from whatever allopathy, etc., we may decide to take. So while we were getting our second opinion from various top doctors in India and from the US, we, on the second day of being informed of this huge issue, we started our natural treatment. At that time, we had developed one Sebuckthorn juice, and we also had Sebuckthorn seed oil capsules. So we based our treatment on these two things only. And my father used to have Sebuckthorn juice and Sebuckthorn capsules 3 times a day, about half an hour before meals. Since he had advanced stage lung cancer of the 4th stage, we were giving him up to 6 capsules 3 times a day and 30 ml of juice 3 times a day, again before meals. For about 35 to 38 days, we gave him this treatment before the chemotherapy started. The chemotherapy lasted 6 months. See, already I'm telling you, he had only 3 months to live, but chemotherapy lasted 6 months, after which the doctor said, we do not have further treatment for you, and you must now be at home and carry on with whatever you're doing or whatever you'd like to do. Post that day, you will be pleasantly surprised to know that for another 2 years, approximately, my father lived a normal life without taking any pills, totally based on our Sebuckthorn regimen and a special diet which included very, very nice fruits and vegetables which convert the body to basic. And the main thing was that he did not suffer. He lived pain-free till his last day, which is a very important thing because there is an extremely high degree of pain in patients of lung cancer. I have seen it myself. Nobody likes to lose a parent, yes, but the suffering was eliminated, the pain was eliminated, the 3-month deadline was crossed almost 8 times over. So my deep experience with Sebuckthorn is something I wanted to share, and I've shared it today, and that gives you an idea of the degree of confidence I've got, the huge confidence I've got on our Sebuckthorn products, our BioSash Sebuckthorn products, which I have personally experienced, and to this day I have it daily. So I'd like to touch upon the first 2 products of which I've already mentioned, Sebuckthorn juice and Sebuckthorn seed oil capsules. Now Sebuckthorn juice, as you all know by now, Sebuckthorn juice is derived from the Sebuckthorn berry. Our Sebuckthorn berry, which we source, grows in the high altitudes of the Himalayas, above 10,000 feet. It's wild, it's organic, it is certified, and it is free from pesticides, fertilizers. It grows in spaces where there is nobody. There's not even any human being. It's pristine, harsh climate, going below minus 40 degrees in winter and going up to about plus 40 in summer. This Sebuckthorn plant has the capability to survive in such harsh conditions. And this capability to survive pushes its roots down into the ground about 200 feet, pulling up nutrition for itself in order for it to survive. So the constituents, the properties of Sebuckthorn are actually coming from the harsh survival conditions. And we have the rare omega-3, 6, 7 and 9, all of them coming into Sebuckthorn together. So it's a miracle plant, it's a miracle berry which has got all the 4 omegas, including the very, very rare omega-7. It is also very rare to find all the 4 omegas together in a natural balance. And Sebuckthorn is actually all about restoring the natural balance in the human body, to make the human body balanced, to give you that natural well-being which you deserve. So apart from the 4 protective nutrients, which is omega-3, 6, 7 and 9, it also has about 14 vitamins, about 21 amino acids, a huge amount of antioxidant, minerals, and a total of 190 bioactive compounds which are essential for the human body to live a healthy life. Now, what I am talking about is not something just thought of. This is all a researched fact. There is worldwide research on Sebuckthorn which has established all that I am saying to you. And all that I am about to say to you also is based on research, and you can easily verify it because today the internet is freely accessible to anybody, and you can easily go and check for yourself what I am talking about. So when you have such a wide spectrum of nutrients in a single berry, and like we at BioSash, we have processed it in a special traditional manner, keeping the nutrients alive and intact, the impact it has on the human body is very, very positive. In fact, the name, the miracle berry, the wonder plant, has been given to Sebuckthorn because of its remarkable rejuvenating, cellular revival, restorative, nourishing, and healing properties, I would say. There is more widespread research being done on Sebuckthorn in India as well as abroad, right from Japan, China, Sweden, Germany, USA, Greece, Switzerland, and England, all of these, right from east to west, all countries are involved in researching and finding out more and more about Seabuckthorn and its benefits. In India also, DRDO is doing extensive research and finding new things every day. Recently, there has been research which has shown that Seabuckthorn positively impacts the body's stem cells within 2 hours and helps rejuvenation and repair even faster. These are not small things. These are very, very important things to realize, to understand that naturally we have got such a wonderful plant, such a wonderful berry, which can be so healing and so restorative. So the simple thing like a Seabuckthorn juice has got cardiovascular, pancreatic and immunoboosting properties because of the wide spectrum of nutrition that it carries. The wide spectrum of nutrition it carries is the reason why it has got such restorative and healing properties. So I have spoken to you in brief about Seabuckthorn juice, and the catch over here is that Seabuckthorn juice impacts you when taken regularly. People often ask me this question: how long should we have this Seabuckthorn juice? Can I have this Seabuckthorn juice? What are the benefits? Are there any adverse side effects? So I'd like to address this part of the things to you one by one. First of all, who can have Seabuckthorn juice? Who should have Seabuckthorn juice? Anybody can have Seabuckthorn juice. A normal healthy person can and should have Seabuckthorn juice because the wide spectrum of nutrients you get from it nowadays you can't get even if you want to from your diet. To have so many nutrients and vitamins and minerals and antioxidants and protective nutrients and omegas available in one single shot of Seabuckthorn juice, you would need to perhaps have 5 servings of fruits, vegetables and nuts on the table in front of you, and that also would not be sufficient. Not only that, you don't know what pesticides and fertilizers are in that. However, here it's pure. So to enjoy the benefits of Seabuckthorn, you need to have it regularly. Anybody naturally healthy can have it. It's not a problem. And this is a natural product. There are no adverse side effects. You need to have, say, 1 tablespoon of Seabuckthorn juice in a glass of water. That's all. Because the juice we are selling you is pure. So you just need about 1 tablespoon, which is roughly, say, 10 to 15 ml, in a glass of water. And I advise you to have it 3 times a day, about half an hour before your meals, because that's when the absorption by the body will be the best. So Seabuckthorn juice is made from the Seabuckthorn berry, and it has got immense benefits. I personally have felt visible results within 7 days of starting having the juice. It impacts you from within. It tones up all your body's organs. It tones you up on a cellular level. So when such a good thing is going in, it starts impacting you on your face. Simple things like very, very deep dark circles start going away. Wrinkles start going away. Blemishes start going away. There's a natural glow which comes onto your skin by just having a Seabuckthorn juice. My next very favorite product is the Seabuckthorn seed oil capsule. When the berry is squeezed, you get juice out of it, and the seed remains. When you extract oil from the seed, you get Seabuckthorn seed oil. And when you combine both the berry juice and the seed oil capsule along with it, then you get the full spectrum of nutrition from the berry as well as from the seed. Now, what is the difference between the Seabuckthorn berry juice and the Seabuckthorn seed oil capsule? Now, essentially, as you can easily understand, the berry juice comes from the berry and the seed oil comes from the seed. The spectrum of nutrition for both is different in the sense that the berry juice is much higher in omega 7, which is a very rare omega, and the seed oil from the seed of sea buckthorn is very high in the amazing nutritive, cardiovascular, protective omega 3. Both of them are very high in antioxidants. Both of them are power packed with vitamins. Both of them are power packed with minerals. But the proportions vary. So when you get a combination of berry and seed oil, you get the full spectrum of nutrition from the entire berry. So I recommend that you have both the juice and the capsules from the seed oil on a daily basis. It gives you the full spectrum of nutrition. It gives you a preventive, cardiovascular, pancreatic, fatty liver, antiviral and immunoboost. A very, very important thing today. It gives you a huge immunity boost. And this is again a very well researched fact that sea buckthorn gives a very, very big immunity boost, which is such an important thing in today's times. So I've covered for you, in short, sea buckthorn juice, sea buckthorn seed oil capsules and the difference between them and why they should be had in combination. This is for a normally healthy person, because the reason being that you cannot get such beautiful, pure, natural nutrition from your diet normally. And another very important thing to remember is, for the best benefits, this must be had regularly. The regularity is of importance because the human body cannot store all these good things. Whatever it needs, it keeps, and on a daily basis, it lets go of all the rest, which is excess. So you need to have this on a daily basis in the way I mentioned. And for the seed oil capsules, I will say that you need to have 2 capsules a day, one in the morning, one in the evening. Again, this is before meals. And you can easily combine it while you're having the juice. You can have the capsule along with it. And I'm telling you that you will see the difference in a few days. You will feel the energy, you will feel the vitality, you will see the glow on your skin. You will become a different person. In fact, it has got various benefits for all organs. It has got various benefits for skin as well. It also tones up fatty liver. It also helps in heart. It helps in pancreas, which is sugar management. It helps in all types of organ toning. So basically it makes you an efficient body and helps body to fight off disease and viral infections as well. So this was the first part. And now I would like to move to another product, which is again principally derived from sea buckthorn juice, and we have specially formulated this product keeping in mind women's needs. The name of the product is sea buckthorn BioRadiance juice. So what have we done in this BioRadiance juice made with sea buckthorn from the Himalayas? And who should have it? So this is basically a product targeted to women of all age groups who are very conscious about their looks and their appearance. We have formulated this with the sea buckthorn juice. It has also got sea buckthorn seed oil extract as well as sea buckthorn berry oil extract. And we have also added a very, very important extract of turmeric, which is again an oil extract which we have blended in this juice together with sea buckthorn to give you this huge benefit. There is also fenugreek extract in this, so that the combination of these sea buckthorn juice, seed oil, berry oil of sea buckthorn and turmeric extract and fenugreek extract combines together and gives a powerhouse of nutrition from within and tones up the female system to give that fantastic glow on the face, that glow of good health. So women of all ages should have this. Over here, just for a precaution, because all supplements carry the same precaution, is that pregnant and nursing women should consult a physician before taking this product, which is a very natural thing, just to be on the safe side. In case anybody has got any bleeding disorders, again should consult a physician. So these are two precautions which I insist should be followed, just so that nothing is attributed to Seabuckthorn as a malady. How does this juice impact your system? I have just explained to you what are the properties of Seabuckthorn and how it is so important in toning up the entire human physiology. Now on to the next part of the Seabuckthorn berry oil. The Seabuckthorn berry oil which is added in this juice is very, very high in omega-7 and antioxidants, which gives that extra added boost, because omega-7 is excellent for skin rejuvenation and collagen production for the skin. It aids the human skin to build more collagen faster. So that is similar to an anti-aging effect by keeping your skin looking youthful and young. Apart from this, turmeric oil has been added, turmeric extract has been added, and clinical studies and trials indicate very clearly that turmeric has got a very, very positive impact on skin health by toning up your internal system. It gives you a glow, it is good for detox, and is very good for the skin as a whole. How Seabuckthorn oil, turmeric oil and fenugreek oil work together is very simple. Because of the properties of toning up the entire body, and being able to rejuvenate the skin to be able to retain more moisture, the skin gets a little plumped up, and you find that the wrinkles automatically, because of that, almost vanish and make your skin look so much better. So it enhances the ability of the skin to retain moisture. It enhances the ability of the mucous membranes to retain moisture, and is impacting the overall well-being of your body. That's how it impacts the skin. And because you get that huge boost of nutrition, which is so important for maintenance of health and beauty, then it impacts on the under eyes and removes under eye dark circles as well. So how it impacts? It impacts dryness positively. It helps in pigmentation. It helps in removal of wrinkles. It helps in removal of dark circles. It helps to give you glowing skin. It helps also in your nails. People who are suffering from brittle nails problems, it also helps in strengthening the nails. And last but not least, omega-3 in this helps very, very much in reducing a very common problem which ladies normally face, is hair fall. So you can imagine positive impact on internal organs, leading to glowing skin, leading to hair fall reduction, leading to strengthening of nails, leading to a natural glow coming onto your face. That's the power of this Bio Radiance juice from Biosash. Another thing I'd like to say is, people like to compare different products with each other. And over here I'd like to say one thing very clearly, that Bio Radiance juice made from Seabuckthorn by Biosash is again one of the world's first such products from Seabuckthorn, a natural Seabuckthorn juice, first in the world, with the lovely extracts of turmeric, fenugreek, Seabuckthorn seed oil, Seabuckthorn berry oil, which are so beneficial for the overall well-being of a woman's physiology and impacts the skin, the hair, the nails so strongly and so quickly and so visibly. So this is a very, very important product, and I'm happy to say that we have had such good reviews coming in from various people about how quickly and how good they feel after using this. So I have spoken to you about certain precautions as well, and that is standard. Basically, one needs to understand that lifestyle and poor diet, which lead to stress, causes a lot of problems for human beings. And Sebuckthorn goes a long way in sorting out these dietary and lifestyle issues. At the end of the day, I firmly believe that most of the problems which a human body faces is that are led on by poor diet and poor lifestyle and aggravated by stress. So we have this Sebuckthorn juice, BioRadiant Sebuckthorn juice, designed specifically to bring about balance in a woman's body so that she is able to ward off all these external pollutants, stresses, and maintain a healthy life, which is visible on one's face. That is the important thing. It is visible on your face. You feel good within a few days of having it. I will now like to move on to another product for ladies, which is called Sebuckthorn Femsash juice. Over here I'll add that this is specifically designed for targeting certain irritating problems which ladies face, which they, even while going to doctors, they are not able to get proper solutions. Very small little things like maybe hot flushes, maybe irritability due to hormone imbalance, maybe a feeling of unease which you can't put a finger on. Very simple things, but in day-to-day life, if sorted out, I would imagine that life would be much easier. Over here, you will again say that there are many products available which are targeting specific issues like menopause, etc., etc. But are they able to do it well? Are they able to do it naturally? Have they been able to combine this huge benefit of Sebuckthorn with Ayurveda? I don't think there's anything like that. So again, one of the world's first juices with herbal extracts targeting small but relevant issues, and I think these are mainly based on hormonal imbalances. So over here again, I'd like to stress that Sebuckthorn is about bringing about a balance in the human body. It corrects the imbalances brought about by poor nutrition, poor lifestyle, and stress. So now the product, which is again one of the first of its kind in this world, Sebuckthorn Femsash juice by BioSash. What does it contain? First and foremost, it is based on Sebuckthorn berry juice, which is a powerful container of 190 bioactive compounds, including omega-3, 6, 7, 9, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and the goodness of nature from the Himalayas, certified wild from the Himalayas. That's not a small thing again. I believe that our Sebuckthorn from BioSash is the best in the world because of its fantastic properties, which have been documented and have also been compared by scientists to be perhaps really the best berry in the world from the Indian Himalayas. So what we have done is we have used our knowledge of Ayurveda for the last more than 25 years, and we have combined all of the experience of the research and development we've been doing and added these very few important herbs, which again have been done based upon research, not just added without getting deep into the research part of it. And we have again gotten very good reviews out of these juices, this FemSash juice. So the key targets for this juice are, again, women of all age groups, anybody experiencing what I just talked about, anybody experiencing menopause, anybody facing unexplained uneasiness and hot flushes, simple gynecological problems which you are unable to sort out by taking other supplements maybe. This juice will normally sort out most little issues within 3 to 5 months, maybe 3 to 6 months. As a precaution, again, I would like to say, which is standard for all supplements, that pregnant and nursing women should consult a physician. If anybody is having bleeding disorders, should avoid taking this without consulting a physician. And also, children below 12 should avoid taking this as a precaution, nothing else. Also, there is another precaution which is standard for all supplements. People who are about to undergo surgery should not have supplements including Sebucthorn at least 2 weeks prior to surgery and should always consult a doctor. So I would like to clarify that these are standard precautions, and I feel it is important for me to say it here since I'm talking about the benefits, so I must talk about the precautions also. So who should have FemSash juice? Again, somebody who wants to tone up the entire system, which is feeling sluggish, somebody who's got little irritating female issues, somebody who's experiencing menopause. What are the herbs we have targeted? The herbs we have targeted and added here are Asparagus racemosus, which is in India known as Shatavari. Shatavari is known as the queen of herbs in Ayurveda. It has got such an important place. It is considered a general tonic and a female reproductive tonic in Ayurveda. It is one of the principal Ayurvedic herbs which are normally administered in Ayurvedic preparations for women. There's a huge amount of clinical research out there which is validated its immense benefits. Another thing we have added is, apart from Shatavari, is again fenugreek, which has got immense benefits in Ayurveda. So Shatavari, fenugreek and ashwagandha, these are three things. Another thing we've added is the bark of the Ashoka tree, which is again very good in Ayurveda. So what does all of this do? I will read it out to you. These things have got impact on the woman's physiology. It has got anti-protozoal benefits, it has got anti-hepatotoxic benefits, it has got immunity boosting benefits, it has got antioxidant benefits, it has got antidepressant effects, it has got anti-inflammatory effects, it has got anti-stress effects, and it is a versatile female tonic. Antioxidant effects, anti-stress effects, all these are required for a day-to-day existence, which impact the female physiology sometimes even more than men. And this combination of Asparagus racemosus, which is Shatavari, of ashwagandha, which is Withania somnifera, of fenugreek, and of the bark of the tree of the Ashoka, in combination with Sebucthorn, juice from the berry has given very, very potent results in all that I have just mentioned. So again, it's a combination. Now over here, I'd like to add something very important, which is a natural question which people ask me also, which is, if I am having BioRadiance juice, can I combine it with FemSash juice for better results? BioRadiance juice I have because I just want to feel good. But if I have some issues relating to what I just spoke about, maybe menopause or things like that, can I combine FemSash and BioRadiance? I say yes, you can and you must, in case you're having further issues which are not taken care of by BioRadiance. So how will you combine it? Generally speaking, juice BioRadiance must be had 3 times a day, 1 tablespoon in a glass of water. Same with FemSash juice, 1 tablespoon 3 times a day in a glass of water. So if you want to combine it, then what you need to do is, instead of having 1 tablespoon of the juice 3 times a day, you have 1 teaspoon each of both the juices. So 1 teaspoon of BioRadiance, 1 teaspoon of FemSash in a glass of water 3 times a day. That way you will get the benefits of both the juices, which are essentially different. And this combination will give you immense benefits all around. So that is something which is a clarification which has been asked to me, and that's why I'm bringing it forward to you over here. Another very important product which I'd like to talk about in this session itself, which is something which is very, very rampant in India, and since I've already spoken about Sebuckthorn juice already and Sebuckthorn seed oil capsule already, I will now move on to a very, very important product which is Sebuckthorn CardioSash juice. Now this Sebuckthorn CardioSash juice, as the name suggests, is made from Sebuckthorn juice, and in this, to tone up the heart, we have added again a few herbs. I've already spoken to you about the immense benefits of Sebuckthorn, and now I will explain to you what are the other herbs we have added in CardioSash, which are specially targeted to tone up the heart. See, omega-3 is excellent for the heart, for the entire cardiovascular system. We already know that, and that is abundantly found in the juice. All right. Apart from that, omega-3, 6, 7 and 9, the omega-7 is very rare, and omega-7 is also very good for the heart. Now we have added Terminalia arjuna, which is called Arjun Chal in Ayurveda. In Indian system of Ayurveda, this is a very, very important herb for all around toning of the heart. It has got an antioxidant and cardioprotective effect. Has already been researched and found to be true in Ayurveda. It helps prevent oxidative stress. What is oxidative stress? When oxidation happens, free radicals are released in the cells, and this leads to aging of the entire body, the entire cardiac system, the entire arteries, the veins. And when aging happens, these arteries and veins become harder. When they become harder, then fatty deposits accumulate inside, which again slowly leads to blockages and heart attacks. So preventing oxidative stress, this is one of the important things which this herb does. It has also got very good benefits for cholesterol. It reduces total cholesterol and triglyceride levels. It is very good in angina. All this has been clinically researched and proven. It is very good in rheumatic heart disease. This has also been checked and proven. So combination of Sebuckthorn juice and Terminalia arjuna I have explained. Now we go on to the other herb which is in there, which is Inula racemosa, which is also known as Pushkar Mool in Ayurveda. This again protects heart by reducing greatly oxidative stress, and the pharmacological relevance of its use in cardioprotection is well substantiated. So this is the second herb which is added to Cardiosash, to sea buckthorn juice, and named Cardiosash because of the immensely researched facts available today. Sea buckthorn berry juice by itself is excellent for the heart. But to add a booster to that, we added Terminalia arjuna and Inula racemosa and gave it a potent punch. Over here, I would like to add one thing, that for even better results, Cardiosash juice should be combined with sea buckthorn seed oil capsules, so that you get added nutrition from the seed of the berry. And this also has very high omega-3, which is very good for the heart and the entire cardiovascular system. So for toning up the heart, one should combine Cardiosash juice and sea buckthorn seed oil capsules. Who all can have this? An important question comes about, who all can have this? So I feel as a preventive, men of all ages can have this and should have this on a daily basis, so that your body, your heart, your cardiovascular system is maintained and cleansed, on a daily basis. The immense antioxidant and other benefits keeps your entire system young and youthful. The antioxidants target the free radicals, prevent oxidative stress, and you hear of this sometimes in the news, young people coming back from a jog, sitting down and having a heart attack and dying. This is a very, very dangerous trend. And you may be looking apparently fit, but you don't know what's happening inside your system. In order to take care of all of these things, which you don't really know about, and to give yourself the daily dose of nutrition, which is so important, I would recommend Cardiosash juice and sea buckthorn seed oil capsules on a daily basis for all men. Again, I would like to say, like I always do, that since I've spoken about the benefits, I would like to speak about standard precautions which are required for all supplements. Children below 12 should not take this without consulting a doctor. Person with bleeding disorder should consult a doctor. Person going in for surgery should give a gap of 2 to 3 weeks before surgery and should consult a doctor before restarting this. These are standard precautions which should be followed, so that your doctor, your general physician is well versed with whatever you are taking, so that he is informed how he should treat you. So this, again, the dose is very simple. 1 tablespoon of juice in half a glass or 1 glass of water at least half an hour before meals. And if you're combining the sea buckthorn seed oil capsule with it, then you have 1 capsule twice a day. You can have it with the juice also, there's not a problem. And again, for men, the benefits will be visible on your skin. Your under eye dark circles will start to go away. Your skin's wrinkles will start to go away. Your internal body systems will all get toned up. It even helps in fatty liver. It also helps in reduction of hair fall. So if you're experiencing a lot of hair fall, that also reduces to a large extent. If you're facing brittle nails, that also reduces to a large extent. Your fitness levels go up. You feel more energized. You feel all of this within a few days. That's the power of the effect of the way we have processed and combined the herbs and have brought the product to you. So that is the huge power of all of these. So I think we have gone through quite a few things today, and we should wrap up this, because otherwise there will become too much of an overload. And I look forward to bringing more new things and discussing more finer points about Biosash sea buckthorn products with you next time. Over here, I would like to stress and explain to you one very important thing. Why we are different. Why is Biosash sea buckthorn so different and so much better than the others? There are a few reasons for it which I'd like to enumerate. Our sea buckthorn berries are among the finest in the world for their nutritive properties. They are certified wild and organic. We use very special traditional processes to source the berries and to collect and harvest them. We have patented our production processes. We are continuously doing research and development to improve our offerings to you. We believe that we are very fortunate to have been at the right place at the right time to be able to give you this fantastic range of immunity boosting products derived from sea buckthorn, based from sea buckthorn, and also we value very much our journey with sea buckthorn, and we are continuously endeavoring to improve upon whatever we do day by day. There are new innovations coming out in the various ranges which we are bringing to you. We are focusing right now on our essentials range, in which you're getting more and more products which you can use on a daily basis as a food, and I will be speaking about that in a separate session. I hope that this session has been useful and informative, and I think that going forward we will also address some of your questions which come, and put in the answers to that during my next sessions. Thank you all very much, and I look forward to coming on virtually and meeting all of you again. Thank you very, very much.